Want to make a difference and run your own business in Indiana? Starting a group home could be your calling, and here's exactly how to do it. A group home is a residential facility that provides care, support, and supervision for individuals who can't live independently, like the elderly, people with disabilities, or youth in foster care. It's more than a house. It's a home with purpose. Start by understanding Indiana's state regulations. Visit the Department of Health's website, check licensing requirements, and look into local zoning laws. Then build a solid business plan. It should outline your mission, your target population, services you'll offer, and your operational costs. Decide who you'll serve. Seniors, individuals with mental health needs, youth in care. Conduct a needs assessment to find underserved areas in Indiana. This will help you tailor your services and stand out. Register your business with the Indiana Secretary of State. Secure all state licenses through the Indiana Department of Health. You'll also need background checks for all staff, plus zoning and safety inspections. Explore funding options, grants, personal investment, and nonprofit support. Don't forget comprehensive insurance liability, property, workers' comp to protect your business and your residents. Hire trained, compassionate staff with the right certifications. Your home must meet health and safety standards. Think accessibility, emergency planning, and comfort. Indiana needs more safe, supportive spaces. Group homes change lives not just for residents but for entire communities. If you're ready to take that step, visit carepolicy.us for expert help on licensing, policies, and everything in between. You can create a home that heals, and it all starts with one bold step.